This is the second video in a two-part series of tutorials on the basics of how to use SErAPIS Isabelle search. In this video, I will demonstrate how to search for Isabelle facts and theories using SErAPIS and show how you can quickly give us relevance feedback, which helps with our research and with improving SErAPIS. Now let's look at a search example. We enter the concepts initial value problem and ordinary differential equation. We don't enter any restrictions, so the search will be performed on both the AFP and the libraries. We search for any fact and keep the default method to method 2. Then we click search. Please click the I will help button if you would like to provide us with relevance feedback on the first 10 results of this search. This will help us to evaluate and potentially improve the search engine. All data is completely anonymized and your feedback is appreciated. To indicate to us that a result is relevant, please click the corresponding box for each result. To undo this, you can click the box again. Each search result is presented as a card. We can see the name of the fact on the left, followed by its kind, topics and collection, and the name of the source theory. Clicking on the name of the theory will open a new tab so we can view the theory's source. We can also see the used by and uses infocards that list all other facts our result is used by and uses respectively. The snippet info card displays a preview of the code of the fact so that you can quickly assess if the result is useful to you. The info cards are collapsible and expandable to give you control of how much information is visible for each search result. Let's have a look at the results. We can see that we have a lot of results from the AFP theory, hybrid systems, VCs, HSODEs, which are relevant, followed by results from the theory ordinary differential equations, Picard-Lindelof qualitative, again from the AFP, which are also relevant. Scrolling down, we can see results from other theories related to ordinary differential equations. Let us now exclude all results from the theory hybrid systems, VCs, HSODEs, and repeat the search. To do so, we click on the red button. To exclude all results from a specific theory, it is enough to click this once. We click search again, and we can see that the results change. Let us now try the search with a different method. We can see again that the results change. Let's try another method. We can see that method 5 happens to give us no results for this particular search, while as we have just seen, methods 1 and 2 gave us a lot of results. Let us now go back to method 2 and add the keyword Runge to search for the Runge-Gutta method in particular. We see many results related to the desired method. Let us now try a search for theories instead of facts. We see that we have lots of relevant results, which this time are theories as desired. By expanding the result cards for theories, you can access more information about each result. The concept set info card shows some of the concepts found in the theory. The dependencies info card shows includes that have been evoked by the theory. The facts info card lists all facts found in the theory. Finally, the comments info card shows you all comments found in the theory so you can learn more about it. Now let's see how the filtering with the topic selection box works. Assuming we want to restrict our search, for example to only the libraries, we type libraries and repeat the search. In this particular case, we see that the results from the libraries are not relevant. Indeed, the libraries do not happen to contain relevant material to our query. If we want to restrict our search to only the AFP topic analysis, we type this choice instead and repeat the search. We see that we get a big number of related results restricted to this topic from the AFP. This completes our introduction to the main functions of the search engine. We hope that this video will help you get started with your searches. We invite you to try out SErAPIS yourself, and we kindly ask that you give us feedback for the first 10 results of your searches. Please remember to click on the I will help button to signal your intention to give feedback for the first 10 results of each search. Thank you for watching.